What is going on, you guys? It is now Monday. I tried going fishing Saturday, but it didn't go good. This is about how well it went right here. Oh good, he brought friends. Really? These guys are all dill weeds. Yeah, so as you can see, I didn't have the best luck. Those guys on jet skis were being super annoying too. But we're out at the hidden lake today. I was gonna go microfishing for some crappie, but this is all I brought. So, you know, all I have is my little, oh, it wants to foot, there we go. All I have is my little blade bait and my microlight rod. I thought I had more with me, and I thought I had my batteries charged, but I don't. So all I have is one battery in the GoPro, and then 2 extras, the battery on this camera, 1 lure, 6-pound test, and we're out at the lake that has taken probably more lures for me than anywhere else. So let's hope we hook up. All right, walking up. I want to say the first spot, but really the only spot. There's 2 other groups of people out here. There's people over there on the point, and then there's a group of guys over there that are starting their own YouTube channel apparently. Hopefully it's not too windy, by the way. I don't know if that was a fish or if I just got hooked on something. I'm gonna switch spots up here. You know, this would be a lot easier if I had heavier line and bass lures. But no, I wanted to catch a fish on a micro lure because I'm dumb. There's one. Where is he? There's one. Come here. Ah, yes. Little bluegill. Well, not little. Pretty big, actually. Here we go. I think that's a pumpkin seed bluegill. I could be wrong. If you guys know what species this is, let me know down in the comments below. But there you go. First fish of the day. I really want a big crappie, but I don't know where they're at. Whoa, whoa, that is a lot bigger. What the fuck? I think that was a bowfin? I don't know, but whatever it was, it definitely grabbed my lure. I'm gonna check my line real quick, make sure it's not tore or anything. Yeah, no, my line's good. Knot's good. All right, I'm gonna try to get what the fuck that was, because that definitely just fucked with my bait really hard. Oh, that's a fish. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Come on. Come on. I don't know how I'm gonna land this thing. What is this? What is this? Oh my God, it's a bass. Come here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Look at that. All right. Oh yeah. All right, let me pull out the big camera. Nice. Look at that. Nice bass. Good size overall, I think. I'm gonna take a picture for later and let him go. I'm gonna let this guy go. Okay. And again, you guys, look at this lure that I caught this on. This is crazy. Look at this. That was probably a 2 or 3 pound bass. It was a pretty good size one. Look at this. This is the lure that I caught that on. Just this little tiny blade bait on 6 pound line. There you go. This can show you don't need crazy gear. You don't need expensive stuff. This is a $1 blade bait from Walmart. Or not from Walmart, from Bass Pro, I think, actually. $1 blade bait from Bass Pro. 6 pound line. Everything you're looking at right here cost me less than $30. So, if your excuse to not go fishing is it costs too much money, you are wrong. I feel kind of bad for those guys over there on the opposite bank, because unless they had a deeper, they wouldn't know that it's only about 2 foot deep over there. They've got that bobber way too high. That bait's sitting on the bottom, but they don't know that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh fuck, I'm snagged. This might be the end, boys. Did I break off? Oh, I broke off. Well, that's the end of the 1 hour, 1 lure challenge. Well, we made it 30 minutes, you guys. 30 minutes and we lost the lure. So I'm definitely gonna have to get another one of those, definitely gonna have to come back, but I'll do an outro at the car. All right, so that was the 1 hour, 1 lure challenge with the Bass Pro Shop Micro Light. Lost my blade bait, that sucks, but it was only $1 like I said. So now that I kind of got some free time, the place where I was going to go fishing was that park, or the pond on College, but it's been fenced off. I don't know what's going on there. There's a sign that says office, so that's weird. But I met some pretty cool guys out there. They said they were gonna start a YouTube channel. They said they were gonna call it The Tarnished Lure. But Matt and Shawn, if you guys are watching this, thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you don't wanna subscribe, I get it. But hope to see you guys out there on YouTube. Hope to see your content, look forward to it. Maybe I can you know, meet up with you guys, help you guys out. I have been trying to, you know, open up my weekends a little bit and, you know, try to balance out work, family, girlfriend, working out, YouTube. It's hard. You guys know how it is. I'm out of breath. Whew. But thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of 904 Fishing. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to subscribe, tell your friends about it, and I will see you guys next time.